Assalamu alaikum, guys. Today, I will show you guys how to make chicken 65. Take 900 grams of boneless chicken and add in it 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of spice blend that is cardamom, cinnamon, and cloves blend. Also add 2 tablespoons of yogurt and marinate it for about 20 minutes. Now heat in pan 2 tablespoons of oil and add in it the marinated chicken and cook it until the chicken becomes soft. Flip it the other side after 10 minutes so that both sides of chicken gets cooked. Now take 2 eggs, beat well, and add pinch of black pepper in it and pour it on the chicken. Let it cook for 3 minutes, then flip it. Now add 2 tablespoons of corn flour in it. Mix well. Now add in 1 cup of milk red food color and add it in the chicken. Keep mixing. Now add 1 tablespoon of sweet soya sauce and 1 tablespoon of ketchup. Mix well. Cook it for another 10 minutes. Now add some green chilies. Now add some coriander and mint leaves along with curry leaves and cook it for 2 minutes. Chicken 65 is ready to get served. Serve it with chapati paratha or Indian bagara rice to give it flavor. So if you like my recipe and want to watch more of such videos, then do subscribe to my channel. Also, please don't forget to press the bell icon. Assalamu alaikum.